General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay, let's do this work. Week 4, December. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to all the Christmas people. Today's Tuesday. 12. Today's expansion day. Say engage day. Medium confidence day. And everything kind of set up that by terminus hasn't been hit. Let's look at this. I was looking at NVIDIA. That's the actual contract. That's what I forecast. M15. So right here we got the purge, previous day's low, and previous week's high. Thinking that's going to be the low of the week. We did break here. Buying retracements makes sense. Tomorrow's unemployment as well. Let's get OTE fib. This is the swing. I doubt we get a full retracement here just because of how we broke this high. Yeah. I wouldn't look for the 50%. I'll be surprised. I'll be excited because this is a good swing from here to here. This is where I'm thinking we'll go because it's like an original consolidation. It's supposed to be green. Okay, it's locked. Yeah, but how we broke here, not even really previous day high. We can run back through here and then be interested. Now this swing, this looks like the OTE swing. So here, and I can finally put the box. Where is the 7-9? Here. Yeah, retracements here. I don't know if this lunch a hold. If we could take lunch liquidity too. Even if unemployment is bad news, I still would look for this Asia high or 50% of Asia. Since both sides are swept, we haven't got no return back here. And this little gap here too. Gap here too. A lot of stuff here. This would be like ultimate. This would be exciting. I do kind of miss looking at three tickers, but use that time to back this to like that and stuff like that. Refine. Super bullish. Talking about retracements. Not expecting big retracements. Even with unemployment. Hold on. Let's go to the hour. We can expect retracements after here. This shouldn't even be here. Expect retracements after here. And then like silver bullet to end the year. Because what's that third leg of the market maker model? Look at that. It's interesting, right? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking now. Or break above this, use this like a breaker, and then, but I only want here. You got buy side liquidity here, lots of highs here, and I think that's all time. No, it's not. It's just a lot of highs. So let me take the screenshot like this. I don't know how I can be like, oh, I guess the black does the job, but well, I know it's there. I don't want no glittery chart. Let's grab this daily screenshot too, because it probably don't be nothing new. It's interesting how we closed above and we swept Monday. Monday's nullified. The gap looks like it's next. After the 3 bar swing high, I would expect retracements. And the silver bullet to complete market maker by model. And this is the daily. Volume balance looks like the BOL. And news can't get us there fast. Yep. I learned about pattern narrative self. I'm very aware. My mental state. Will I watch for tomorrow? News and buys. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.